Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube Shorts channel. If you want to focus on YouTube Shorts, setting up a dedicated channel can help build a strong audience, and here's a step-by-step guide to creating a YouTube Shorts channel, which is basically just a regular YouTube channel. The first thing you want to do is to create a new YouTube channel, and to do that just open your YouTube app and tap on your profile picture and select create a channel. After that enter your unique name, example my shorts hub. The second step is to optimize your channel for shorts, and you can do that by adding a profile picture and a banner that reflects your niche. After that, write a compelling channel description that highlights what kind of shorts you'll post. The third step is to enable monetization settings, which is optional. And you can do that by going to YouTube Studio and on your computer and select the monetization option and check if you meet the requirements for YouTube Partner Program. And for the fourth final step, start posting shorts, and you can do that by tapping the plus button in YouTube's app and selecting create a shorts right here, and record and upload a vertical video under 60 seconds and add music effects and text, and use the hashtag shorts hashtag in the title to improve reach. Make sure you post regularly to build an audience, and experiment with different short trends to find what works, and engage with comments to grow your community. And that's it for today's tutorial. These were some informations about how to create a YouTube Shorts channel. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.